let me introduce myself. I am Valencia Faradivanalta. You guys, you must be very aware of our current condition, COVID-19 pandemic. Do you know anything about COVID-19? COVID-19 virus is a virus caused by a new type of coronavirus that spreads very rapidly, widely, and high risk for those who have comorbidities. This disease is contagious if we are exposed to cough or sneezes from people who are infected with COVID-19 virus. Each person has different response to the COVID-19. Most people exposed to the virus suffer mild to moderate symptoms and recover without hospitalizing themselves. There are some symptoms of the COVID-19 virus. Among other, fever with temperature of 37 degrees, shortness of breath, cough, and other symptoms accompanying loss of taste and smell, sore throat, flu, fatigue, muscle pain, diarrhea, or even without viral symptoms despite COVID-19. The COVID-19 virus does not discriminate and not select who get infected. Some people who have more vulnerable condition for COVID-19. These vulnerable groups are people who have comorbidities, elderly, have low body durability, and obese. Don't panic, especially during the new normal habituation like this, guys. Come on, guys, prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus together by diligently wash your hands with soap at least 20 seconds in running water. Let's wash our hands in 6 steps together.
Rub both palms with a twisting motion. Then, rub both the backs of the hands one way. And then, rub between the fingers one way. Next, rub your fingers inside with a movement of locking with each other. Rub both thumbs with twisting motion. And the last, rub the tip of the nails. The next step, less physical contact and always keep your distance at least 1 meter. Always apply the cough and sneeze ethic. Do not cover your mouth with your hands. use a tissue or elbow fold, and then throw the tissue in a closed bin and do not forget to wash your hands. Always use a mask wherever you are. Don't use a mask more than one time, and don't forget to use a mask according to the health standard.
And the last one is avoid the crowd, guys. In addition to the tips about don't forget training regularly and consume healthy food and drinks. Come on guys, protect themselves and our loved ones start with themselves. We are healthy, we are all